Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited right now. I was chatting with my friend Gretchen from Little Gretchen's workshop the other day about how some craft supplies aren't available in all countries. That led us to, in the end, sending each other parcels of treasures out of our craft stations. And Gretchen was so generous. Oh my goodness. She sent me not one, but two packages. Let's take a look at what she sent me. All right, so looks like we have a container of beautiful beads of all different colours, shapes and sizes and styles. I can't wait to make things with these. Next up we have the milk carton caps, which is the thing that spurred off our whole conversation about not being able to get craft supplies. They are common in America, but not common at all in New Zealand. In fact, I don't know any different products that have those particular caps, but they are really useful for making things like bowls and stuff. There's also some tiny little light bulbs and some more beads in here too. They should be really useful for making things. Some little flowers. They can always come in very, very handy for decorating things and making them look a bit prettier. Plastic succulents. That'll come in really useful for making pot plants and that sort of thing. Arr, I feel like a pirate now with my treasure. No, these are cabochons. They're like flat-backed plastic jewels. Now they'll become useful for a whole bunch of things, I'm sure of it. Not only the pretty jeweled side, but the flat side as well. I've got an idea for the round ones and how to use them later. So these stair railings, well, I think they're stair railings. They can be used for a multitude of different things. They can be used as a base for a bed, or if I shorten the bars on them, I could make ladders out of them, which is what I plan on doing with at least one of them anyway. But you'll see later on down the track how I'm going to use it in the gnome home. I'm so thrilled to get these two dresses. They're both a little bit big as they stand for my gnome home, but I plan on modifying them down the track and making them into something a bit more suitable size-wise. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. To my doll. Hey there, Nessie. I found a few more beads and bits. I have more than I could use or ever need. I can't wait to see what you make. Thank you for your support and kindness. Sincerely, Little Gretchen. Oh, it is so cool. I'll be saving that box. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So many beautiful pieces. Oh, look at that. That's cute little castle. Oh, that would go so good in my doll's house. Oh, Look at all these treasures. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to begin. Paper bead. Oh, that is cool. Okay. So these. Stick on rhinestones. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, that'd be so glamorous somewhere. It's like an old piece of jewellery. Just stick something on. Actually, I wonder. That could be useful. That could be very, very useful. It's something I think I'm going to make. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so overwhelmed. Oh, imagine that as a frame around a mirror or something. Or a painting. Oh! Oh my goodness. It's very... Sure, I had a button like this on a hat I had once. This could be really handy for something. You never know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's so much. So many. Oh, this is a fun piece of trim. What am I going to do with that? I have to get my thinking cap on. Oh my goodness, very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I know what this was off. It was off one of those bungee cords, wasn't it? Maybe. But interesting. Interesting. Got some ideas. Another one of those. One of these. This looks familiar. I've seen them before. It's a broken off piece of something. Buttons. Oh, another one of these suction cup things. We've got some jump rings, handy for hanging things and stuff. These beads. Look at all these fantastic beads. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So much. So much. A birthday candle holder. Oh wow. Oh Gretchen, you have spoiled me. I'm so spoiled. Cartons and the big jewels. That's quite trippy. That could be very handy for something I'm thinking of. Oh, this is so sweet. It's like a piece of veneering. Some of these little things. Oh my goodness, so much. Some nice big beads. Lots of those. Oh my goodness, I want to dump it all out, but I'm scared it's all going to go everywhere. Bits of chain, a necklace, jumper rings. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads, and leave a comment because I'd love to hear from you. It really helps my channel to grow. If you want to share your own crafty ideas and projects, join my Facebook page called Nessie Monster Crafts. And we have Fun Day Fridays where we can all show off our latest works in progress. If you can afford it, please consider buying me a coffee. Links for both my Facebook group and coffee account are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!